ESR camera lens protector for iPhone 16 Pro Max. Worth it or not? If you're an iPhone user, especially rocking the latest iPhone 16 Pro Max, you know how crucial it is to protect that stunning camera system. With the ever-growing focus on photography and videography, the lenses are not just hardware anymore. They're the soul of your smartphone experience. That's where the ESR camera lens protector steps in. And in this video, I take a deep dive into whether it truly lives up to the hype. Magnifying glass tilted left design and aesthetic. Right out of the box, ESR impresses with its minimalistic, sleek design. The protectors are crafted from ultra-thin tempered glass that blends seamlessly with the iPhone's rear camera module. Whether you're using a clear case, a MagSafe cover, or going caseless, the ESR protectors maintain a low profile and don't ruin the look of your iPhone. They're available in colors that match Apple's official finishes, giving them a near-invisible presence once installed. Hammer and wrench installation process. One of the highlights of this product is the effortless installation. In the video, I walk you through a real-time install. It took me under 5 minutes, and there were no bubbles, no dust issues, and no misalignment. ESR includes everything you need: a cleaning kit, alignment frame, and clear instructions. Even if you're not a DIY person, you'll find this process straightforward. Shield protection and durability. What really matters is how well it protects. I tested this lens protector in everyday scenarios: pocket lint, keys, drops from waist height, and even a simulated scratch test. The ESR protector handled it all. With its 9H hardness rating, it absorbed impact and left the actual camera lenses untouched and flawless. Even after a few weeks of daily use, there were no cracks or chips, just clean, clear coverage. Camera with flash photo and video quality. Now here's the part many people worry about. Does it affect photo quality? The answer, after multiple photo and video comparisons, is a solid no. Night mode macro shots, 4K video. Everything remained crisp, detailed, and true to color. ESR uses an anti-reflective HD clear coating, which prevents glare and avoids that annoying lens flare in bright environments. You can shoot with full confidence that your content will remain top-notch. Counterclockwise arrows button removability and reusability. I also tested how easy it is to remove and replace. The adhesive is strong enough to stay put, but not so aggressive that it pulls off with residue. Just use a little heat and gentle pressure. It comes off clean. And while it's not technically reusable, ESR sells packs with multiples, so you're covered for spares. Dollar banknote value for money. Considering the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a major investment, spending a few dollars on high-quality lens protection makes a lot of sense. ESR's lens protector sits in that perfect sweet spot of premium quality at an affordable price. Compared to cheaper alternatives, ESR delivers much better clarity and durability, and compared to premium brands, it's far more cost-effective without sacrificing performance. Package what you get in the box. 3X lens protectors, cleaning wipes, dust remover stickers, alignment tool, user manual, white heavy checkmark pros, crystal clear image quality, easy and precise installation, excellent impact and scratch resistance, perfect color match with iPhone, budget-friendly pricing. Warning: cons. Not reusable, though extras are included. May slightly raise lens height if you use a tight case. Direct hit final verdict. If you're looking to preserve your iPhone 16 Pro Max's camera lenses without compromising image quality or aesthetics, the ESR camera lens protector is a no-brainer. It's sleek, protective, and easy to apply. Whether you're a casual user or a content creator, this little accessory is a smart addition to your mobile toolkit. Thumbs up rating, 9.5/10. A near-perfect solution that balances protection, performance, and price.